Hey, I'm Jessie from Leonardo.AI, and I thought I'd just really quickly come and show everyone how I'm using Flow State as part of my creative process. So Flow State is our latest, newest, beautiful feature, and it's a really exciting way to be able to ideate and iterate with concepts kind of through a bunch of different varieties very, very fast. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you how you get to this. So again, if this is the first time you see it, so from the homepage, you go to image creation, and it's automatically going to open up classic mode. So that is where you're probably familiar with creating, but we're going to click onto Flow State. Now, Flow State is perfect if you don't consider yourself as much of a prompt master. There's very limited, you don't really need to craft a specific prompt. This is here for ideating and quickly being able to get visual feedback. So for this example, I'm going to say a trendy modern home. How about that? And we'll see what we can explore. Now, if I wanted to, I could preset some of the settings. So I could say that I specifically want it to be maybe a stock photography, or I could preset it to say a particular shot type. For this example, I'm just gonna kind of go with the flow and see what we get back. But that is a great way if you already have something in mind that you want to work around. Great, so as you can see, there's a bunch of different variety in these images. Everything from like the shot type through the aesthetic. I like this one, so I'm gonna press on more like this. And more like this gets you exactly what it says, more similar ones. And you'll notice if we have a look up here, it's got unlocked in the style as an oil painting with like a dark theme. So these are interesting ways to kind of explore. They're quite moody. I like this one. You can dig further and further. Brilliant. Okay, so yes, there's really some interesting stuff coming through with this. We can explore that one. That's, yeah, rad. Okay, so more like this. We get a little bit closer again. Cool. Okay, so these are beautiful, interesting images. Now these are a great place to start. If I'm curious to like explore these further and take them further, I can simply save them and use them in classic mode as like maybe a style reference. I could use this as a content reference, describe with AI to get some more information. This is a really fun workflow. Now, if I did want to be more specific about what I wanted from the start, so let's go, we're going to go start again. Now, if I go start again, it's going to erase everything. So make sure that you definitely save any of the images that you particularly like. Those saved images will appear in your library. Okay, so I'm going to quickly start again. And I'm going to say a trendy modern home again. This time, I'm going to be really specific with what it is that I want from the start. So I know that I want a high angle shot. I also know that I want stock photography. And I might leave it at that for now, and let's see what we can explore. So this is cool if you already kind of know where you want to go, and you can set some of these settings. So as we can see, these are high angle shots. Really fun. Now, if I had wanted to, I could have gone and put on the dark theme if we really wanted to keep going with that blue theme. I like exploring lots of different ideas at a time. How about one of these? This one's cool. Okay, more like this. Again, we can explore further and further. Brilliant. So I hope you get an idea of how you can be using this within your practice. These are really excellent way to be able to iterate and ideate very fast, and you can always go back in your workflow if there was an image that you want to work on and explore further. So we can go like this, say on another one. Just make sure that you save everything as you're going along. Okay, that's my little take on it. I hope you enjoy, and there's so much that can be done. We can't wait to see what our community shares with us and how you're using Flow State in your new creative practice. Thanks.